Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you fix Face ID not working or not available on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. In order to fix it, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So if your Face ID isn't working on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone, you could start by checking for software update and re-ensuring that the TrueDepth camera is clear of the obstructions. First of all, you want to go to settings, go to general, and here you could go to update or check for software update. Install any updates available to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version. The other thing you could also do is make sure there are no smudge, dirt, or other obstructions on the depth camera, on a TrueDepth camera. If you're using a screen protector, ensure it's not obstructing the camera as well. The other thing you could also do is you could also check your ID settings. For that, go to settings, go to Face ID and password or passcode. Ensure Face ID is turned on and that you're using it with the feature you intend to do it. If the issue still persists on, you simply want to try restarting or resetting the Face ID. You could go to the same section, that is settings, go to Face ID and passcode, and here you'll be able to find the option of reset Face ID and follow the on-screen prompt, and that should be able to help. If not, you simply want to restart, as sometimes temporary glitch or bugs might be resolved by a simple reset. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works, you want to contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out through the procedure. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.